Hello guys, I just make this kind of app, the simulator, the stickman simulator for only, I believe, only 6 hours, the first iteration. For the MVP one, I just need only 2 hours to doing this. Like this, as you can see, this is the simulator how in one piece, which is, if you know what I mean, this is from the Marineford scene that I make this 3D simulation. So I will give you the tips how to make your vibe coding experience really faster using anti-gravity or anti-gravity. I don't know how to pronounce that. So what you have to do when you open a new project, before you create an discussion, make a discussion with the anti-gravity, you should make the first documentation. This is what I've done. I'm not a real coder, to be honest. I'm not the developer, so I knew this from I knew this from somehow from AI. So before we develop something, we need to create at least four documents. The first one is BRD. BRD stands for Business Requirement Documents, and then the second one is PRD, Requirement Documents, and then the third is TRD, Technical Requirements Document, and the last one, the mandatory one, is instruction.md. So at least you have one, two, three, four this kind of files, and then later you add to your project file folders the root, and then ask AI to execute the BRD, PRD, and TRD. How to make the BRD, PRD, TRD? What I've done, I'm using three AI or multi-agent in once. I using Gemini, I using the Cloud code, and then no, I mean the cloud, and then I use the ChatGPT. So I just brainstorming with all of three of them simultaneously. I discuss with ChatGPT through the voice mode, and then the response I will put to the Gemini, let Gemini to rectify it or to analyze it, and then as well to the cloud, and then keep churning between three of them. And then later I will finalize the BRD, PRD, TRD, and instruction.md on ChatGPT. Why using ChatGPT? Because I'm using the pro version of ChatGPT. If I'm using the cloud pro version, I will use the cloud, but I'm using the free version. So that's it, how to make your vibe coding much more easier by creating BRD, PRD, TRD, and instruction.md before you start vibe coding using anti-gravity. So that is this video. Later, if some of you want to detail explanation or detail tutorial, you can put on the comment below, because this one only the concept. I already tell you what I've done, and please let me know on the comment below if you need the more detailed tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.